all when the Maverick is the only voice shouting from the mountaintop, like, hey, hey. I will continue to say that Jamaica's elite young athletes no longer need the Carifta Games. It's an inferior meet with generally inferior performances against inferior opposition, and it's not helping with the development of our top young athletes. It's a nice mini vacation as a kind of reward for the youngsters to go on an all-expense-paid trip for them to enjoy themselves and build camaraderie and bonding. But as a calendar championship event with claims of helping in the development of our young athletes, Carifta is foolishness. Imagine, for the 33rd year, Jamaica topped the medal tables. This year winning 82 medals, 47 more than the Bahamas in second place. We got 44 gold medals to the Bahamas second with 6. And people are talking about Carifta competitive and important and blah, blah, blah. Jamaican elite youngsters, the ones with real potential, don't need to go to this little sports day event. We need to keep them rested and motivated for the big world events that will guide them towards successful senior careers where they can go make some real money while keeping the Jamaican flag flying high. And it is from that perspective that I maintain that our elite top athletes have absolutely no business competing at Carifta. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, yes. See that? I hit that. The bigger picture. See that? The bigger picture. Yes, see that? No, not too big. Not too big, but the bigger picture, you see it?